Ever heard the saying, faith like a mustard seed? It's a powerful concept that's been lost in translation. The disciples couldn't heal a boy. They wondered why. Jesus said, it's about trust. Imagine a mustard seed's unwavering faith to grow into the largest of garden plants. Jesus told them, even with faith that small, you could move mountains. No matter how things look at the moment, with total trust, the impossible becomes possible. Sadly, many translations miss the essence of Jesus' message. Take the NIV 84, for instance. It says, if you have faith as small as a mustard seed, but the word small isn't in the original Greek text. This one word flips the whole meaning. Other versions like HCSB, NET, and NRSV, they all mistakenly highlight the size. The disciples' issue wasn't the size of their faith or trust, but instead, it was about who they trusted. Jesus wasn't advocating for a small faith, quite the opposite. Small faith can't tackle demons, mountains, or our problems, but complete trust in God, the kind of mustard seed embodies to transform into a strong plant. That kind of trust can move those troublesome mountains. Total trust in God, not the size of your faith, is the key to unleashing divine power for the breakthroughs you need. Let your trust in God grow, and watch Him make things happen.